Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common vacuum maintenance for your Roborock Qrevo Slim. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First, we'll just kind of look at our maintenance from all different sides of the vacuum. Up at the top, there's really nothing you should ever have to do. You can occasionally wipe down the cover. You can also remove the cover. It's just held on by a couple of magnets. And inside, every once in a while, you might want to clean out your dust bin. And obviously, once you notice that your filter is really full and dirty, you'll want to replace that too. But we can go ahead, we can pop open the filter right there to easily remove as needed. And here's how you can get access to the inside to give this a nice deep clean. You have this little door here too. You can always clean from any sort of obstructions or hair that might be stuck there. Same with the inside down below. You have nice access there to remove any hair or dirt that's collecting. Then our filter can just be removed like that. And if you don't want to replace it right away, go ahead after a couple of vacuums, just give it a nice tap and that will help clean out the filter. You can also use compressed air if you want to maximize this life even further. But that's it for the filter and the dustbin up at the top. You can also keep an eye right here in that channel for the navigational bumper. If you ever notice any dust, dirt, things like that, tip it up, clean it out, or just get it out of the way with compressed air. Looking at the very front, keep an eye on the sensors. If you notice a lot of dust accumulating, you can just gently wipe them off with like a microfiber cloth. Same with our sensors along the side and our charging contacts here. This little chute opens too for the self-empty. If you notice any debris around there, you can clean that out. But very simple, straightforward. You could wipe down that sensor. Same with the bottom. We have a couple more cliff sensors here and a couple other options you can wipe as needed. You could get a Q-tip, things like that. Side cleaning brush, you might notice some detangles here. You can always remove and replace that. The app will instruct you on when that's time when these wear out. You might be able to visually tell too when the bristles are pretty frayed and just bent out of shape. You shouldn't notice much tangling at all here, but the good news is we have access to the rollers. You will most likely notice some hair tangling on the sides, down here and down here. So you have to spend some time cutting that away. Very easy to replace these as well. They even have all the instructions for you there. You just line it up and you can put them right back in place. And then this just goes right back on and snaps shut. Ta-da! And then lastly on the mopping system here, very easy if you want to take off the mop pads and put them in the washer and to swap them out with new mop pads. It's just Velcro, peel and stick. So that's it. Not bad at all. Simple and straightforward. The app gives you a nice breakdown and rundown of when it's time to replace common parts, components, and everything else. I would argue just visually inspect every once in a while to keep it running in tip-top shape.